How to be mindful in 1 minute. A simple daily practice for presence and inner peace. Have you ever done absolutely nothing for just 1 minute? No phone, no thoughts, no rushing, just being. In a world where our minds constantly run from what's gone to what's next, even 60 seconds of stillness can feel like sanctuary. That's why millions search phrases like how to be mindful in 1 minute or short mindfulness practice for inner peace. Because deep down, we're all looking for the same simple thing: calm, presence, breath. Step 1: pause and return. You don't need to leave the world to practice mindfulness. Just stop for a moment right here, right now. Don't rush your breath. Don't fix anything. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel your body resting on the earth. You are here. You are safe. This simple pause is a message to your nervous system. Everything is okay in this moment. It's not escape, it's arrival. Step 2: breathe consciously now. Breathe gently through your nose for 4 counts. Hold it for 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4. When you inhale, imagine awareness flowing in. When you exhale, let go of tension. If your thoughts wander, it's okay. Just return to the breath. Each return is a quiet victory of mindfulness. Step 3: observe without judgment. The mind will speak, "This is too slow. I'm not good at meditation. I have things to do." That's perfectly fine. Watch the thoughts pass like clouds across a calm sky. You are not your thoughts. You are the sky, wide, open, and still. A pause within the journey. If you've made it here, you're already practicing presence. Take 1 slow breath. And now, a small invitation. At Mindful Echo at Mindfulito963, we share short, soulful messages each day, gentle reminders to return to yourself, to peace, and to what truly matters. If this moment feels meaningful, please subscribe to Mindful Echo, like this video, and share your reflection in the comments. Your presence helps more souls discover calm in their own minute of mindfulness. Step 4: 1 minute of real presence. Now close your eyes. Listen maybe to your breath, maybe to the quiet hum of life around you. With every inhale, you come home. With every exhale, you release the weight of hurry. You don't need to be calmer, better, or different. You only need to be. And that being right now is mindfulness. Why 1 minute can change everything. Science shows that even 60 seconds of mindful breathing can lower stress hormones, ease anxiety, and restore balance to your emotions. Your mind is like a muscle. Each moment of awareness strengthens it. Tiny pauses, practiced daily, reshape how you experience life. So yes, 1 mindful minute can change your day, and maybe your life. Daily reflection: 1 conscious breath in, 1 conscious breath out. That is a meditation. Eckhart Tolle. Whenever you feel rushed or anxious today, pause. Take 1 mindful breath. Smile softly. You've already returned to yourself. Final words from Mindful Eco. Mindfulness is not about perfection, it's about presence. Start small. 1 breath, 1 minute, 1 day at a time. If these mindful words resonate with you, join our quiet corner of the internet. Mindful Echo. No distractions, no noise, just mindful words for a mindful life.